It's 4 a.m. in the morning and 90% of the population is sleeping their valuable time away. We are all given the same amount of time each and every day, 24 hours a day. So I want you to ask yourself, what am I doing with my time and how valuable is it to me? You see, most people has never put a true value or a dollar amount on their time, living day to day, wasting time, not knowing or understanding their true worth. Until you add a dollar amount to your time, you will continue to waste your time on activities that will never help you to develop into the person you should be so you may reach your goals in life. How valuable is your time? You see, but the top 10% of the population has learned the importance of time and money, and they are living their lives to the fullest each and every moment, sleeping only 4 to 5 hours per day, working 10 to 12 hours, and watching only 2 hours of informative television. The numbers don't lie. So if you want to earn big bucks, if you want to improve your life, or you're looking to improve your relationships, you must act and think like the top 10%. You want to improve your life, you want to stop wasting time with the BS, put a dollar amount to each and every moment of the day, and you will start to think in terms of dollars and your mindset will change. So if you truly want to earn $100,000 per year, then you need to attach $50 for each and every working hour of the day. You see, if you work 8 hours per day and you earn $50 per hour, that's $400 per day. That's $100K per year. You can do it. You see, if you spend 4 hours a day watching TV and you add $50 to each of those hours, you just lost not only the time that you can never get back. After a while, you're going to realize that watching TV, hanging out, relaxing costs you money. Everything has a dollar of value on it. So the average person thinks that their time is only worth the amount of money they make per hour on their job. So the guy or gal that makes $10 per hour is thinking that their time is only worth $10. And when he do have some free time, he or she will believe that this time is free. But in reality, time is never free. Time costs you. Money costs you. But the person that makes $100K per year understands that there's no such thing as free time because they have put a true value, a dollar amount, and there's no need or no time to waste. So I want you to ask yourself again, how valuable is your time? Because time is money and money equals time.